Somebody pray for me. It been that day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Alright, time to load the Banshee up. For sure gotta go get some gas too. Alright, just got the gas can, got everything ready, got all the gear loaded out. And pick up Juan, and then we're heading out to Apex to go try the Banshee and some little dunes, baby. Packed some more tools in my toolkit in my seat too, just in case one of these jets decides to fall out. Why are you stepping out like that?
Oh, sunbathing.
Oh. Damn, shawty.
Yo, he got.
Damn, shawty.
That's the vauxhalls we used to collect down.
No way. Way.
Chilling.
Shit. Alright, let's load this shit up. Unload the Banshee first and then put the YZ in because it's gonna be hard to fit it, I think. We're gonna try to fit the YZ in here without using the trailer. Sheesh. Banshee all taken apart still. Come on now.
Come on, man. What you doing to him?
Got the hidden key piece. Y'all ain't supposed to see that though, it's hidden. Alright boys, we're gonna have to hit that premix. Oh, we got the caster floating away. Yups, got that premix, got that yups. Yups, got the Fiji.
Yo, Fiji, come
Yup.
on, man. Shout out to the sponsors.
Yups, drive through, no trailer friendly. Yup. Apex is absolutely popping today. Bro, look at these trailers. Jeez. Alright boys, so we have some bad news. Not only did I roll the Banshee, but we have some bad news as well. So I didn't even notice this because I've had clips sitting on my computer for about almost a week now. And if I would have looked at those clips a few days ago, I would have realized that my GoPro aux cord input thing was broken and I did not get any sound on my clips. So on the last video, there was a clip where I rode the Banshee after we changed the jets in it and I had no sound on it. And I didn't even notice, went riding, I think like 2 days later, filmed a whole entire video of the Banshee. I had a super fun ride out in Apex, which I'm still going to show the clips. I actually made a little montage with the song, but it was a super cool video. We went out, I had my Banshee, Juan had his YZ250F, and my friend Brett was out there on his Yamaha 400, whatever, 450 quad, I don't even know what it is. And it was super packed out there, but we went out to the dunes, had a bunch of fun in the dunes, shot all the way across, went over to the track. I'm going to play a little video right now of the clips I have. And hopefully you guys like that, but I already ordered a new cord, and I'm hoping that in the next few weeks I'll be ordering a new GoPro. If you want to support your boy in buying a better GoPro and get better quality on the channel, make sure to leave a thumbs. Check the link in the description below for the website. Support your boy, grab a sticker, grab a t-shirt, and MOPBOYZ of course. So I'm gonna play the video now.
How could you heal these scars of mine? Could you save me? Tell me, could you save me? Breathtaking, life for the taking. Got your red lights, stood light, yeah, we racing. Take this pain and erase it. Take this blunt, then I face it. Oh my fucking God, came to my face. I feel faceless. Get one taste of this life, it felt amazing.
But yes, so we rolled the Banshee. We were riding just dunes mostly, and it was super rutted out. There were so many people in Ragers out there and everything like that, and it just caught me slipping. I just wasn't paying attention at the time. Was going a little sideways, got kicked a little sideways, corrected it, and then when I got back on it, it just went completely sideways, no grip. I was completely sideways with a bunch of wheel speed, and then it finally caught and just threw me right off the bike. Thankfully, I got thrown off the bike far enough where like the bike rolled once and I wasn't underneath it. Otherwise the bike would have rolled on top of me. But first time ever rolling a quad. Sad to say it was the Banshee, but had to be done. Had to learn my lesson. So if I had paddles, I don't think it would have happened because I would have had more grip and bite from the start. But I literally had no bite. And like if you look at the tread on these rear wheels, to be riding these in sand, like I literally am on flats, like it's like slicks on the sand. So I had no grip the whole time, no matter what gear I was in. Alright boys, so now it's time to show you guys the damage to the Banshee from the rollover. I flipped, I got thrown off and over the left side of the bike. The bike rolled once completely, so it flipped on the left side on the first initial rollover, and then when it came to a stop, it was on the right side of the bike. So it hit both sides. Alright, here's the damage. Oh my god! Look at that crap! Not the fresh red Banshee plastics. Come on, huh? No, but seriously, boys, this is literally all the damage right here. Is just this crack. I'll probably try to like plastic weld it from the inside or something, but that is all the damage. Obviously, there's some stress cracked probably on the fender. Fender looks like it's getting some stress cracks too. So I'm not sure, are all red Banshees the same color red, or is there a difference in the red? But I might buy a new rear piece just because this one's also chewed up from the previous owner too. It looks like he was like carrying something on the back here and it slid, or maybe he rolled it over too. Front fenders are pretty good though, but I might order new ones eventually. I wish I can get this Cascade seat cover again. I think I could, but I have to like mail my. Let's order some leather cleaner to hopefully clean up the color on it a little bit, and yeah, boys. But that is all the damage to the Banshee. Otherwise, other than that, the Banshee's running super good, and it liked the bigger jets, so that's good. But that's gonna do it for this video. It sucks I didn't get the clips, but hopefully next video we're gonna have good sound and everything like that for the ride out. So if you want to see more Banshee content, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys like to see most on the channel. I'm just curious because we do so many different types of builds and stuff like that, and we got MB5s, the scooters, the car, the Banshees, and stuff like that. So like, leave a comment what your favorite is. I'm just curious. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.